Hi everyone. So tonight I'm going to do a little review of the Kmart Aroma Diffuser that you can currently buy in Kmart Australia for $20. It's quite a bargain and it works really well. And you can buy these little essential oils for $3. And tonight I'm going to put the lavender in. So I'll give a quick demonstration. This lid just comes off pretty easily. It actually screws on, but I've just had it sitting on top. You need to put water in. I've only got about this much in. You can probably see the level where it's up to. And then you just get your oil. And you only need about that many drops. Then put this back on. It has a proper power plug. It's not a USB plug. So here you have this switch here. You press it once and then you press it again to be brighter and then off. So I'll just go one now. Then here you've got 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 120 or 180. So you just keep pressing the button until you get the time you want and it will just automatically shut off. So we'll just go for 60 minutes. So we'll press it twice and then you might be able to hear it and voila. There we go. And as you can see, it shoots out quite a good amount of steam. And after a while, it will make your house smell beautiful. So it is definitely $20 well spent.